Hello guys, Devjyoti here from webkit-transition, and today I am going to tell you how to make a full web page using Bootstrap 4. And here I am going to use some extra like owl CSS and some extra CSS also I am going to use here. Okay, and like you can see here in transparent navbar and fully responsive slider with text. Okay, normally by default Bootstrap 4 carousel doesn't contain that much beautiful text effect. Okay, so it's a custom one, and after that you will see how to use the cards. Okay, it's Bootstrap cards, and by using some extra CSS I make some extra effect, like you can see the border and all. Okay, and here you can see I use the media object, and here I use Bootstrap tab. Okay, in between that accordion is there. Okay, this is the accordion. So when you are going to learn this, how to make this web page, you are going to learn so many things in between that. Okay, how to create bottom, and not only that, I use image hover effect also. Okay, that's actually custom CSS. And here by using owl carousel, in my previous video you can see how to use our owl carousel like that, and I modify the owl carousel and make that beautiful testimonial, and after that this footer. Okay, so many things is there to learn, and you can see it's totally responsive. Okay, as you can see it's in mobile view, actually it's fully responsive. And when you're going to learn this, you are going to learn so many things, and it's very professional and fully responsive website. Okay, and for this you would need that cnd. You use the raw file also, but I'm going to use that owl carousel cnd. This owl.cs, carousel.css, owl carousel.js, and after that owl carousel theme.css. These two these files are I'm going to take. Anyhow, I'm going to provide all this code, images, everything. This is my project folder. Actually I'm going to give you the folder, and link will be in the description. From there you copy and download and you practice that. Okay, and for that I'm using Bootstrap 4. You can know, in my previous video also you can see how to use Bootstrap 4. Okay, like I'm going to need this copy the JS. Okay, because I have habituated to use the CND actually compared to the raw file, because if you use the CND, actually if they modify something, it will get automatically updated. You no need to manually get update them. Okay, it is the main advantage. And Bootstrap 4 is a very new version, so there are so many new versions are going to come in near future. Okay, so I also suggest you better to use this CNDs. Okay, and for the CND I'm going to use the raw file. So let's start. So here I come in my Dreamweaver, and you can see I take a open site. Okay, it's my project site. So first of all I'm taking a new HTML page, and okay, and save it as index.html. So index.html. now I have to link up the CSS file. I already discussed I need a bootstrap.css, and after that I need font.css, and again I need owl.css and owl.theme.js. okay, so let's link up them, and I already show you the links, so just follow them. So first of all I'm going to link up CSS. Sorry, I do something wrong. It's link, so CSS slash bootstrap.css. so after that I need my custom style set, so make a new file, make it my style.css .css. so after that it also open. So I need to link up now it. So come here. So now here let make the carousel give minus top 80. So carousel and make it top and give top 80. Okay, 80 pixel, sorry, minus 80 pixel will be, because it should be coming top. Okay, so let's save it and check in the browser. See, but here is one problem, that my navbar get vanished, so I have to put some z index in my navbar. Okay, so make it code preview, yeah. So for the my navbar, now I forgot one thing, let's save it, and in the navbar you have to come in the top of the navbar. I don't need that, this navbar light and navbar busy light, because I'm going to giving the custom css color for the navbar. Okay, and the custom text color. Okay, so till it's enough. So now I have to the mean height should be 100% for the navbar. Sorry, Carousel. Carousel mean height is not equal. Okay, after that come here dot my nav. In the my nav, the z index, give some higher z index like 200 or 400 or whatever. So save it and let's check it's coming or not. No, it's not coming now. So make it the background color. Sorry, I forgot to add the that my nav. I have to add it here. Okay, in the navbar main class I have to add the my nav. Save it. I think it will come now in the top. See, it's come now. Okay, now I need this should be very transparent, and make the background color transparent first of all. So background color should be transparent. Okay, and next the color of the links. So dot my nav, after my nav the link color, I mean nav links. So nav link color I'm taking Arial blue. Save it and let's check. See, the color gets changed in white now. Okay, and now I want this should be in the right side, not in the left side. So for that you have to come here, this UL, okay, and make it ML auto and auto. Okay, save it and check. See, it's comment now in right side. Now I need to change this brand color, means here the Navbar is there now. So put the semicolon here. Okay, so Navbar brand, color, let's check it now. So it's white now. So after that come in the carousel and make the text, I mean you have to write some text in between. So yeah, after this image I have to write some text. So take a div and the class will be carousel caption d none d md block and apply some style also. So style top will be 50%. I mean the position from the top, it will be 50%. So yeah, now close it. In between that, write the I'm taking h2, so writing some text. Now after taking that, I'm going to write some paragraph like best prime location in city. Okay, and after that I'm going to take a button. So for that button class will be btn, sorry, I have to make it small, btn. After that btn lg, not lg, I'm taking the normal size. Okay, take the lg, no problem. btn lg, and after that btn danger, because I need the red color button. Okay, close it and write some custom text. Click here or something. Okay, so now just copy the same thing, and for the second slider also just paste it and change the text RGB inner view, and for that take best relaxable location for work. Save it now and check it how it's look like. I think I didn't save something. Yeah, save it. Yeah, it's come now. Nice color text is coming. After that I will modify the text color in the CSS. Okay, so come in CSS and carousel, so give some space, carousel h2. Okay, the color will be deep pink, and font size, I need more bigger font, so font size let's give the 50 pixel. Okay, now carousel paragraph, sorry, dot carousel paragraph. For that color will be light coral, I make a spell mistake. Okay, light coral, it's very nice sweet color. And the font size, give the 20 pixel. Font size will be 20 pixel, and after that the font weight I need also, because I need bold one. So font weight and write bold. Okay, see now. Okay, so carousel is over now. Now I need the core portion, the text. Like you can see which one I am going to see. I need now this portion. Okay, to write that, come back, and so take div, class will be container, text center, and margin bottom, let's give margin bottom 5. Okay, close it. Now I have to take the row, so in the row I take the call, sorry, I take another div, and class will call md12. Close it, and after that I need some h2, so write the h2 and write core, and after that take strong tag, strong, and the class will be text primary. Okay, so text primary, close it, and after that write some features. If sorry, make it capital, features. Okay, so after that come in the down, and in the take the paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag you have to make some random text. Okay, so take the loading option, some random text. So let's see in the browser preview how it's look like. Okay, see, it's come perfectly now. Okay, now I have to design the cards for that. Okay, so take a new container, so div class will be container, better to take container fluid and inside container, because I need the full white background, so container fluid will be okay. And for the background I am giving a class choose. Okay, let's close it. Now taking the container, sorry, div class will be container, and giving some padding top and padding down, so like padding top 4 and padding down also giving 4. Okay, so after that just close it. Now take a row for the heading, div class equal to row, and text will be center, so text center, and like something margin bottom, like 4 will be enough. Okay, close it. Now inside that div class call md12, and in between taking h2. Okay, and h2, and I need the blue color text, so class will be text primary. Okay, now our services. Okay, now come outside of this row, so here take another div, class will be row, and I need 3 cards at a single row, so it will be call md4. Oh sorry, div, you have to take div, class will be call md and 4. So after that, in between I have to take a card, so div class will be card. Okay, so just close it, and after that, and for the card I need some modification, so I'm going to add a extra class for further CSS modification. Okay, it will be upper card. So after that, I need one icon, so I doesn't need image. If you want image, you can replace with the image, but here as my design I'm taking a front of some icon. Okay, so div class will be, the div class will be icon, icon, and div class will be icon. After that, just close it, and in between that take the I tag for the font awesome, and class will be fa bullhorn, I think fa. Okay, bullhorn. So after that, area hidden equal to true, so area hidden equal to true. Okay, so just close it now. Okay, so let's save it and check it how it's look like now. See a small color small icon you can see here. Okay, now take the card body, close it, and after that take h3 tag, and in h3 brand awareness, take whatever text. Okay, I'm just taking the sample text, and in between that take a paragraph and copy some random text. Okay, so after that, come out of this call md4, so just you have to need the certain copy of that, just copy it, and you just copy it and paste it 2 times more. Now save it and check total 3 card come or not. Yeah, total 3 is come. Now what to do, just come to CSS, and we need some modification here. Okay, so come back in my CSS, and first of all dot upper class, sorry, upper card. In upper card we have to make the text align will be of course center. And after text align, the border is very important. I'm giving a small border, so border will be 1 pixel solid and rgba 47. It's like cane color, okay. 47 comma 228 comma 237 comma 0, sorry, here comma will be there, comma 0.37, okay, colon, save it, check it once. Okay, now see small bullet come around the images, okay. So now come to card eye, means the eye tag in between the card. So dot card eye, in the card eye it will be font size will be 50 pixel. After that padding 10%. After that color will be deep sky blue, and transaction element for the some little bit animation effect. Transition, the transition will be 1 second. Okay, so now card eye and hover, so copy it and paste it again, and here just make it hover. Okay, everything should be same, just change the color. I'm making violet. Okay, so save it, let's check. Yeah, it's coming. After that I need some border shadow effect. So for that dot uppercut, and that will be on hover. So dash mouse dash, okay, write it on, dash mouse dash box shadow, box dash shadow, zero 5 pixel, and after that 10 pixel, and color will be 888. Same, just copy it, dash webkit and dash, same thing will be there anyhow, and another time for the normal. Save it and check. I think I made some mistake in the card, because it should come in the whole card. Okay, let's check it. So see, I made mistake here. This body should be inside of the card. So Control X, Control V. The same thing here also. Control X. Control X. Save it. See, it's come now perfectly. Okay, so after that I have to again come for, let's see my project once. Okay, so after card I have to make the backgrounds a little bit grayish color now. So for that again come into CSS and choose the background color. Background color I am taking that. Save it now. See, nice background color come. Okay, give little bit okay, 1 minute padding and on this container. Okay, give some margin bottom 5. Save it. Oh, sorry, padding bottom it will be. Sorry, not it. Okay. PDI right now, it will be PB. Padding bottom. Yeah, it's now come. See, little bit padding downside of the cards. So the card session is over. I need to design now this one. Okay, so take another container, give some margin top 5, and after that I need row and text center. So div class is equal to row and text center. Okay, so in row text center take another div class is equal to call md12 and okay, let's close it and take the h2. Okay, and make y, so make it capital, it will look good. Y, take the strong, class will be text primary, close it. So choose and outside of the strong us. Okay, so now come out of the row. Yeah, this is the row. So take another row, div class equal to row, and it's also text centered. Close it. In between, I want that whatever the text in between, I mean whatever the paragraph in between it will be some space in right side and some space in left side, and I want to make it in transparent way, and this effect should be visible only for the MD, I mean not for small device, I mean like tab or mobile. So here I doesn't use the margin property, I use offset property of the Bootstrap. Okay, so div class will be call md8 and offset md two. Okay, close it, and in between take some text. I'm copying some random text, save it. Okay, it's come now. Next, what I have to do, let's check my main project. Okay, so after that I have to make this heading, after that a HR line and some text and list. Okay, so let's come in dim viewer. Okay, it's open. Now give them some paste. Div class will be container, and give some margin top 4. Okay, div class is equal to row. So now take div class is equal to call md6 and make some heading. What we, after this take the strong, and class will be text primary. Okay, offer. Okay, so now after that h2 give a HR for the line, and after that take the paragraph and copy some random text. Okay, after this go to the paragraph, take the I class, fa dash pencil this pencil dash square 0, this one. Okay, after closing of the item 27, whatever, so you want take some, you can just copy some random text. Okay, just copy and paste. Okay, similarly I need another some paragraph also. Okay, and I need another paragraph also. Take some copy some random text. Okay, so after that I need a bottom. So after closing of this paragraph, bottom class will be button LG and button primary. Close it. I need I tag now. Class is equal to fa dash users close it, and of course area hidden, true. After that I tag learn more. Okay, now save it and check in the browser how it's look like. Okay, it's come perfectly. So now what I have to do, now I have to make the tab, and inside the tab it will be first of all it will be image, for second it will be accordion, and it will be random text. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so after this call md6, I have to need this here. So give some space. So div class is call md6, close it, and take ul id will be id in quotation, it will be tabs justified. Class will be nav v tabs, close it. In between I have to take li. For the first li, the class will be nav item, and in between here step make it empty, Now data target, will be as home 1 and toggle, data toggle, toggle, it will be tab. Okay, and after that class will be links, link, not links, small, okay. After that text uppercase active. Text uppercase means it will be convert the whatever the text in between that, it will be in uppercase. The text uppercase, and I want to make this class active. Okay, close it, writing home. So similarly I need another 2 li. I copy the same thing 2 times and change the link name and IDs. Okay, here you can see it will be home, it will be portfolio 1, and here data target is I mean ID the message 1. Okay, you have to change that only. Okay, now just come out of the UL, give a break tag and take div, and div in this ID will be tabs justified contacts. Okay, tabs JUSTIFIND contents. So tab justified content. After that I have to take a class tab content, and now div class before take ID will be whatever you mention here, the ID will be same here, and when you click here this one will be get targeted. So here I write home 1, so I have to write as it is home 1. Okay, so class is tab penny, and effect will be fed, and it will be active now because this one is active. You can see here is active, so here also will be active. Okay, and it should be open when load the page, it should be open. So okay. So wherever you click in this home, whatever the content in between, it will be displayed. Okay, sorry, yeah. So here I'm going to take an images. img src, sorry, okay, in image it will be, so this one, give some alternate text. Okay, so whatever image or something we can write, and the class will be img fluid. Okay, now I have to take the same thing for portfolio. Okay, so paste it. So ID will be accordion. Accordion, okay, and after that role will be tab list. Okay, close it and save it. So after that I have to take the card. Class will be card, and div class will be card header, and role will be tab, and ID will be ID. You can take just for targeting, you can take anything. Okay, heading 1, so close it. In between take the h file, in h file the class will be margin bottom 0. Okay, so after that take the anchor tag, a data toggle, sorry, to, and the data toggle will be collapse. href will be collapse 1. Area expanded, here I am writing area expanded mean when I load the page, the tab should be open. Okay, and if you write it false, then the tab will be closed. You have to click for open. Okay, so here I am writing true, and area controls, area controls will be the same as href. So in between write the text one. Okay. Now after the card header is in now, so after that take another div, ID will be the same what you write in top. Sorry, not this one. And now class will be and it's also so, and it will open by default. Role, tab panel, will be heading 1, the same thing of that. Okay, and after that data present, so data parents is equal to has accordion, and what the ID give, you give here the same thing. So close it. In the dim write the whatever the text you want to show. Okay, so it now finish. So till that the card is there, so copy it. So scroll down, see it's come now. Okay, see it's perfect now. So it's over now. Now what I have to design, let's check my original project. Okay, I need to design the portfolio session. Okay, and for this image hover effect I will mention the CSS in the description. Okay, because its code is very huge. If I going to tell, the video will be very long. It's already very long video, and if I going to explain it again it will be very long. Okay, for this video and for the testimonial, if you want, write in the comment section. I will make the separate video for them how to make it also. Okay, so let's design that portfolio session. So come in that reviewer, so take another container, class will be container fluid, container giving some margin top 5, class is equal to row text center, margin bottom will be 4. Okay, so now taking div class is call md12, taking h2. Okay, in the h2 writing that our and take the strong tag, strong class text primary, sorry it should be small, text primary, close it, and portfolio, make it capital. So after this div, take p, class will be call md6 and offset md3, close it, take some random text and paste it here. Okay, after that take another row and after that this I have to design for the images section. Okay, so div class will be call lg call md4, call sm6, call extra small, sorry in Bootstrap code there is no XL, I have to directly mention 12, call 12. Okay, and after that padding padding 0, close it. After that class will be hovereffect, and next take the img, class will be img fluid, source image, portfolio 1, alt, you can take anything in alt, Okay, after that image div class will be overlay, take a h2, hover effect on, after h2 a class will be info and h reference. I'll keep it empty. You can give the directly portfolio link here. Okay, so link here. Okay, so after that I need to copy it certain time. Okay, yeah, so for that I have to take now, check it how it's look like. I know it will not look perfect now. Okay, you can see the hover effect and or the whatever you wrote in the overlay, it comment down session and there is some space, so I have to write some custom CSS for that. Okay, so come in my style, after media I'm giving the CSS in my video description. From there you just copy and paste here. Okay, because the code is very huge code, as you can see. Okay, I'm writing here for the image of hover effect, so don't mismatch them. Okay, so after this I'm going to paste that code. Okay, so save it and check it. See, the nice hover effect is coming and the gap also remove. And for the gap remove I use a very simple code. You can just I add the padding 0, you can already see it. I just mentioned the padding right 0, padding left 0. Okay, so it's for remove the padding. Okay, anyhow I am going to make a separate video for how to use this image hover effect. For this kind I already mentioned by using iHover how you can make the image hover effect. From there also you can copy, or for that also I am going to use a separate video for that. Okay, so after that I need to design for the testimonial. This testimonial also code is very little bit, code is very simple, but the CSS again will be very large. So div class will be container, margin top, sorry, and margin top I'm giving here 5. Okay, let's close it. So after that div class will be text center, and margin bottom will be 4. So close it, take a h2, class will be text primary. Okay, so in that write testimonial. Okay, so after that take another row. Div class will be row. Class will be call md 12. After that testimonial slider, div id testimonial slider, okay, class will be owl carousel. Close it. So in between everything will be there, and whatever the slider or the main testimonial slider will be there. Okay, so div class will be pick. Close it. So taking image, and now source, for the source here img. Okay, now after this image, so after this pick div, pick class, I'm going to take another div. So div class will be testimonial profile. Okay, so close it. In between you can take h3. Class will be title, and after that you write some name. Okay, and take the span, class post. Okay, web developer. After this one means after the end of this div, take another paragraph. Class equal to description. Description, and copy some random text here. Okay, now a single slider should be ready after writing the CSS. Okay, it's a code for the single slider, so we need it several times. So I'm going to copy it more 2 times. And paste it. So 3 testimonial is ready. So after that, what I have to do, I have to make some changes in CSS. For testimonial CSS also I'll give the link in down session, and after testimonial everything will be. So I'm writing here, so you can easily understand what is the code for testimonial, what will be in after that this testimonial comment session. After that the testimonial code is there. Okay, so save it. So after saving it, you have to write the JS code for the owl carousel. At the beginning I already tell you have to copy the and where you find the cnd for the owl carousel.js. okay, and I am going to give the link, so don't worry. So that is the link you will get from the cnd. So after that you have to write some scripting. Okay, script in between I have to write the code. So document dot ready and bracket function taken bracket. Okay, so dollar has okay colon has testimonial slider so testimonial slider. After testimonial slider dot owl carousel okay, owl carousel and bracket the second bracket. So item will be 2, items 2 semicolon, and items in desktop, so items desktop items item desktop I forgot to mention comma here. Item desktop will be okay, and 1000 when the skin resolution will be 1000, then for that it will be 2, and for comma, and for the item desktop small items desktop small, it will be for the when the skin weight will be 973, sorry 979 for the it will be 2. Similarly I have to write some code for the tablets and all. So after writing code I am come back. Okay, so give them proper alignment, save it, come in browser, see the nice testimonial is working, and see it will be now single, and when you make the skin larger it will become 2. Okay, so it's totally responsive also. So after that I have to write the footer session, I think. Yeah, that's I have to design this footer. Okay, so come back in the code session. So footer, okay, div class will be container, and margin top will be 3. Okay, so div class will be row, and after that div class will be call md and 3. Okay, so you will close the UL li in between take anchor tag href. I'm keeping it empty at the time. You can give any link here, so writing something link 1. I need this several times, so copy it and keep pasting for some time. Oh, that one miss. That enough, I think. And I'm going to copy this also more 2 times. Okay, after that again I'm going to take another call md3, call md3. Okay, in between dim class will be input group, and input group take the input tag, input type will be text, placeholder username. Okay, class will be from control. Close it. Okay, I can class will be input group, input type password, placeholder password, class will be same from control. Okay, close it. After that I have to take another input group. For the input group give some margin tab, margin top 4. Okay, div class will be another input group, and margin top, it will be in between, margin top will be 4, and yeah, so input type will be submit, val is equal to submit, name equal to submit. Okay, close it. So save it and check it once how it's look like. Okay, let's come. I need CSS little bit to design it, and before that I am going to design that copyright session. I'm write the code for the copyright session. After that, at a time I will design write the CSS for 2. Okay, so div class will be container fluid. Okay, and the custom class will be footer copyright. I think I wrote right. Footer copyright, in between div class is equal to column 12 and text center and lid for some stylish text. Okay, and here I am writing the copyright at the rate of 2017. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Save it, come in the CSS portion. Okay, so footer, okay, so footer background, background color. I already take a background color, so I'm copying the background color. Okay, padding 15 pixel for top and bottom downside, and 0 for left and right. Okay, so for the anchor tag now, so footer lia color and text decoration, will be none, and footer lia on hover. So on hover the color will be like blue, and yeah, that's it on hover. And now for the li list style type, none, and text decoration also. None. Now for footer copyright, background color has 0E 0C 0C. Okay, and color, that's it only. Save it. See, it come very nice. Okay, now in the mobile view you can see there is some problem with the navbar. I mean, it's coming, but if there is some image was there, it will look, I mean, this image is not visible that much. So for that I have to take one thing, just open font awesome, you have to search for item icon actually. In the icon just type the bar, this one I needed. It's awesome now. Just copy that, and in the nav session, in the top, the source code in the nav session, you have to come in very top. Where is my nav session gone? That in that place, in between that, just paste it. Okay, just paste it and just save it. Okay, now check it, and now see, nice black color icon and it's come. And if you want to make it white, then it's very easy. Okay, just come here, copy that thing, copying, come in CSS. Okay, it's related to Navbar, so I'm writing in top session only. So just change the color. Okay, save it now, and let's come in mobile view. See, it's really white and it's coming very nice, but this color gone here, as you can see. So for that I need some custom. Okay, so I need some media query. So come down, so at the rate media max with the rating for 768 pixel. So for that carousel, I doesn't want it's, I mean, come in transparent one, so dot carousel, in the dot carousel top equal to 0. After that dot my nav and dot nav links. Make the color black. Okay, after that the Navbar brand color is equal to dim gray. And save it now. Yeah, better to make this icon color black only or dim gray. Okay, scroll to top, dim gray, save it. So see, it's come nice now. Okay, now scroll down, you can change. Yeah, see, everything is perfect now. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section, and please subscribe my channel to get more video like that. And if you really want to get this complete code, then you have to do one thing. You have to subscribe my channel, like and share this video, and in comment section you have to give your mail ID for sending the code. Okay, thank you.